Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can hide your online status on Discord, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to hide your online status on Discord, it's actually so easy. So to do that, first, of course, you will need to open your Discord. And after opening your Discord, next, I want you to go to your profile at the bottom right corner. And once you're on your profile, you will now be able to see that your online status is visible right here. So to hide your online status, it's simple, you just need to tap your profile. And after that, you will see many options on how you want your Discord status to be shown. But if you want to just hide your online status, then select the invisible option. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, your Discord online status will now be hidden from others. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.